we'll be constructing a similar triangle given a different perimeter. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to use our t-square or a ruler to draw a line that is 7 centimeters long. So we label the points A, B. Then we're going to mark the arc for the distance AC. Then we're going to mark the distance for the side BC. So I've drawn a triangle given the length of the three sides AB, BC, and AC. What we're going to do, we're going to extend the line from B and A. Then we're going to join the triangle ABC using our ruler and pencil. So we're now drawing C to A to draw the triangle. Because remember, we're constructing a similar triangle to a given triangle, but with a different perimeter. So what we're going to do, we're going to put our compass at A, open it to C, and we're going to mark an arc to intersect the baseline that we had extended. Then we're going to put the compass at B, radius C. We're going to mark a arc to intersect the baseline. We're going to label this point C and D. Then from C, we're going to draw a line, any angle, any length going south. Then we're going to measure the new perimeter, which is 8 centimeters. Then we're going to label this point E. Then we're going to use our ruler to join D to E. Then we're going to put a set square. I'm going to align it to the line DE which we drew. Then we're going to put another set square on the left hand side of the first set square. I'm going to slide it parallel to the point B on the triangle, the original triangle. Then we're going to draw a line parallel from A on the original triangle. Then we're going to label these points F and G. The F and G represent the center for the two arcs that we're going to draw now. So we're going to put the compass point at F, radius E, and we're going to mark a semicircle. Then we're going to put the compass at G, we're going to open it to C, and we're going to where the two arcs intersect, that is H. We're going to join H, then we're going to join this point, which is G to F. Then we're going to join from H to G, and this is a similar triangle to the original triangle, but with a different perimeter. What we're going to do now, we're going to label the drawing. So we're drawing guidelines, which are 4 millimeters apart using our t-square. So we're going to label it now. To construct a similar triangle but with a different perimeter. Alright, so good job if you followed along, and we're looking forward to seeing it in the next video. Perimeter, CE. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of similar triangles but with a different perimeter. In the next video, we'll be looking at how we find the centroid for a given triangle. At Academic Mr. Yu, we aim to become your favorite math channel, and we thank you for joining us. Please take care until we meet in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.